Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In today's tutorial, we'll guide you through the entire process of manually setting up your Trenzu WR series Wi-Fi extender. By following these steps, you'll boost your Wi-Fi signal, expand coverage, and enhance your internet speed for a better connection. Let's dive in. Insert the Wi-Fi extender into a nearby power outlet, preferably close to your main router, to ensure a stable connection during the initial setup. This proximity helps establish a strong link between the extender and router before finalizing the installation process. Now, on your smartphone, tablet, or laptop, go to your Wi-Fi settings and look for the network name that matches your extender's default SSID. It might look something like Trenzu_EXT. Connect to this network. Once you're connected, open your browser and type in the default IP address of the extender. You should see something like 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1. Press Enter, and this will take you to the login page of the extender. Next, you'll need to log into the extender's web interface. Typically, the default username and password are both set to admin. If you haven't updated these details yet, simply use admin for both fields to access the settings. Once logged in, you'll be prompted to scan for available Wi-Fi networks. Select your main Wi-Fi network from the list of detected networks. Enter your Wi-Fi password when prompted to connect the extender to your router. Now, you'll have the option to set the SSID for your extender's network. You can either use the same name as your main Wi-Fi network or create a separate one. If you create a new one, make sure to choose a unique name so you can easily identify it. To check if everything's working, disconnect from the extender's setup network and reconnect to your new extended Wi-Fi network. Test the connection by browsing or streaming, and you should notice improved signal strength and coverage. If you experience any issues or require assistance, our dedicated team of skilled professionals is always ready to help. Don't hesitate to reach out for expert support and guidance. Contact us anytime at 1-323-507-3713, and we'll be happy to assist you. And that's it. Your Trenzu WR series Wi-Fi extender is now set up and ready to improve your network coverage. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech setup guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next